This dish is the Smelt and Rabbit.
With kabocha squash and apple.
Surprise guest, the rabbit. Rabbit, glaze, puree, crumbles, salad, smelt. We're gonna go over how to break down the smelt. Take the head off, open the belly, clean it out, make sure it's clean on the inside. Pat that moisture down. Once your fish is ready, cut a little score in the stomach, then the backside, put your knife through and pull. Take that center bone and that stomach bone off.
Smelt crunchy, smelt, bonito, salt. Fry the tiny smelt in oil that's about 350 until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. Take the tiny fish out of the oil and put into the dehydrator until it's like fish jerky. Put the dry smelt in the spice grinder with salt and bonito flakes and blend until you have a fine powder, just like this.
For the smoking of the smelt, I'm going to use a little grill. I'll put the link in my description below. Low and slow for about 15 to 20 minutes. Squash puree, squash, white miso, rabbit fat. Cut up the squash. We're going to go ahead and blanch those in water. Once it's cooked through, we're going to go ahead and strain. Let that moisture come out. Put it in a blender. Add some miso, that rabbit fat, blend up. We're going to grab that smelt that we smoked, throw it in, and blitz it up. Next up is the salad. Kabocha, cut into nice cubes. Apples, cut into nice cubes. Now we're going to blanch that squash. Sesame, sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce. This is what we're going to use for our little salad dressing. We're going to grab a bowl and whisk. Mix that sesame paste up. Add that first, a little bit of sugar, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar. Make sure to mix that up really well. If you want to add more vinegar or sugar, feel free. Now toss that up with the kabocha and apples. Smelt, rice wine vinegar, sugar, and salt. Kombu. We're going to go over how to make pickled smelt. Fillet your smelt. We're going to go ahead and add a 60-40 sugar-salt ratio. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Rinse it off. We're going to drop that smelt in that vinegar for about 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out and let it rest. For the glaze, we're going to use a teriyaki sauce and the innards, the bones, the heads. We're going to roast them, drop them in the liquid. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can do this with fish bones or chicken bones, anything you want. Now let's go ahead and strain that through.
Butchering the rabbit. Use your knife to trace from the belly to the spine. Trace the bones on the spine down until the meat is released. Then, trim the belly. Season the loins with salt and dried koji. Then let hang out at room temperature for at least an hour. Sear the rabbit in a hot saute pan on the skin side. Once it's golden brown, add butter and baste. This shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes.
Squash puree down on the plate.
Apple squash salad.
Add that pickled smelt.
Teriyaki glaze on the rabbit.
That crunchy unchy.
And then let that rabbit hop onto the plate. Thanks for watching till the end.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.